स्पेशली उन ऑडियंसेस से जो अभी हमें सुन रहे हैं, we know that they are interested in this business. We are also sure that they want to do something for themselves. But ये जो aspect, especially the point that you brought up, that one, this is a tech related business, right? That's what people think, because यहाँ पे word आता है digital marketing का business या online business. So a lot of people feel that, okay, it's a lot of tech that's going to happen, and probably I'm not that tech savvy. And अब जैसे people who are listening to our journeys right now, especially जैसे हमने share किया, you come from an IT background. तो कुछ लोगों को ये भी लग सकता है कि Anamika is an IT pro, so she might have had it very easy, वो बहुत आसानी से समझ गई होंगी, because background IT का है. तो do I have to be a tech savvy person? क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं हूँ, तो अनामिका और दीप्ति कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझसे नहीं होगा, because I don't check that box of being a tech pro. और दूसरी चीज जो आपने अपनी जर्नी से शेयर की, this aspect of not being so confident in front of the camera and feeling कि digital marketing, how do I do it when I'm not that camera confident? इन दोनों चीजों की वजह से अगर कोई specifically hold back कर रहा है अनामिका, so because you have been on this journey, you have taught yourself from the ABC till the day that you are, क्या करना चाहिए उन्हें, कैसे सोचना चाहिए इसके बारे में, या कैसे देखना चाहिए इस छोटे से चैलेंज को, and how should they also overcome this and at least go ahead and explore this opportunity before completely saying no to it? क्या would you say to those people who are raring to go but holding back?
That's a great question, Deepti. So yeah, to all those people who are like holding themselves back, just thinking, कि इनसे तो हो गया, मुझसे नहीं होगा. That's not true, that's what I kind of feel, that growing up, I was such a shy kid. I would not even talk. I would hide behind my mother. I would not, I was such a shy kid. And even to get to college, even to get to land a first job, every stage of the life, you have to talk to yourself and you have to bring that, even if you're scared, because everybody gets scared. कोई भी confident पैदा नहीं होता है. Confidence is a trait you develop over time, right?
Yeah.
So मुझे वही लगता है कि आपको डर लग भी रहा है ना, then still do it. You have to just go for it. Like, don't let anything stop you, because अगर हम यही सोच के बैठ जाएंगे कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, because that is what has been holding you back. तभी आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, या आप इस स्टेज पे आए हो कि कि मुझे करने का बहुत मन तो है, बट मुझसे आगे स्टेप नहीं लिया जा रहा है. That is what is holding you back. The day you realize कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है, फेल हो भी जाओगे तो कम से कम आपने ट्राई तो किया, क्योंकि 90% of the people यही सोच के कि मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा या मुझसे नहीं होगा, वो आगे ही नहीं बढ़ते हैं. कोशिश तो करो. I mean, unless you try, you never know. आपका पोटेंशियल क्या है आपको पता ही नहीं है अगर आप ट्राई नहीं करोगे. Just do it. That's what I would say. सही है, गलत है, take a deep breath and do it. Digital marketing is just a skill. You learn it. आप धीरे धीरे हमारे ट्रेनिंग्स में उसको सीखोगे. शुरू में थोड़ी थोड़ी हो सकता है गलतियां भी हों, वो तो हमने भी की है, सबसे होती हैं. वो धीरे धीरे करके आप सीख जाओगे. You just have to be yourself and you are comfortable being yourself. All you have to learn is the skill of digital marketing, and then you should be able to tell your message to people and you're good to go.
So beautifully said, Anamika. And I think audiences में भी चाहे जो भी doubts उनके हों, especially if they're thinking that this is only for people who can do the tech part very well, absolutely not. Because Anamika here comes from the tech background, but I come from a corporate background and absolutely no tech, so to speak. So I'm a non-IT professional. She is an IT professional. But हम दोनों ने ही जब इस business को start किया था, तो digital marketing का जो element है, उसमें I think हम दोनों ही we were starting at point zero. Absolutely ground zero से ही start किया.
Ground zero start किया.
दोनों ही digital marketing का absolutely zero idea था.
Yes,
and we are regular working people,
yes.
Just like anybody who's watching us right now. We are moms, we are working working moms. But if we have been able to teach ourselves or learn in this process, it has been majorly because of certain factors like our training, the community support that we have. So of course वो अकेलापन नहीं है इस journey में जो एक typical conventional business में होता है ना Anamika, sometimes when you have to figure out everything yourself. Yes. So I think आज की इस conversation पे I'm sure audiences को एक बात तो बहुत अच्छे से आपने बताई है Anamika, that no matter what you're feeling, no matter how scared you are, take a deep breath and bus kar lo usse, right? Just do it.